Y'all wish y'all had my money. You know where I'm about to be headed? This strip club.
I was just out here embarrassing myself.
Chế bao nhiêu tuổi? That's how old are you? This is sugar, protein, calories.
These eggs are so fluffy and it only took like 2 minutes to cook. I already pressed snooze on my alarm today. I was supposed to wake up at 6. It's currently 6:30. I just had the fattest dream about my ex from like a year and a half ago. And I'm scared. His face is embedded in my brain right now and I hate it. Like, get the fuck... Get out. They're chocolate waffles. I promise you I didn't burn them. I mean, I did. Also, if you don't know, I do a giveaway in every single video because I want to give back to my subscribers, because without you, I literally wouldn't be where I am today. The 5 giveaway winners from yesterday's video are on screen right now. In this video, I'm going to be giving away 2 Tula skincare sets. I'm going to be picking the winner tomorrow. All you have to do is be subscribed to this channel, follow my Instagram at maiphammy, and then just comment down below your favorite drink and then your Instagram so I can contact you. And if you want an extra giveaway entry, all you have to do is text my phone number. Yeah, same. Set from Set Active. I gotta be leaving here in like literally 10 minutes, so let's change real quick. Boom. Alright, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put this hoodie on because it's cold out. Bro, I gotta do something about my bangs. What the heck?
Sterling, what are you doing? Get down.
Wow, look how pretty it is outside.
Oh my god.
Alright, let's go. I wore sandals yesterday, so I feel like maybe I should like try to like wear my other shoes. Let's go. Gotta charge my AirPods, they're always dead. Okay, hopefully when I back up, I don't slam into the fence again. If y'all don't know what happened, I crashed my car. Me not having a car. Oopsies, might have like dented it just a little bit. Y'all thought I crashed, didn't you? Just kidding, that was an edit. Look at me not hitting the fence. Wow, we love a self-improvement queen. I feel like such a high school person with a lanyard around my neck. I'm gonna go drive now, but okay, before I go study, I'm gonna hit the ATM because I went out to Korean barbecue with a bunch of the trainers at the gym because whatever, you know what I mean? Like, and one of the trainers paid for me because I didn't have Venmo or anything like that. And I've been meaning to pay him back. It's literally been like 2-3 weeks and I haven't because every time, so I brought my money, cash, and he just wasn't at the gym. So then I just keep forgetting, and now that I see him, I'm like, oh, like I forget to pay him. I feel so bad, but I don't even think he cares. But he's kind of cute though. Hi, if you're watching this.
She rich or whatever.
Just kidding, just kidding, just kidding.
Y'all wish y'all had my money. You know where I'm about to be headed? This strip club. Bands, 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 bands.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Like, don't talk to me. At all the rappers on IG. Don't talk to me.
Y'all got money like this?
Nah, you gotta hustle. I'm kidding.
Oh my god, I almost dropped my croissant.
Stop! I could have dropped my croissant.
What did I just say? She said, G, what? Oh, yeah, lightly, please. No, people. So she said, like, can we like whiz through this real quick? And I said, not whiz. And she goes, G whiz. And it wasn't even recording. I was just out here embarrassing myself. G whiz. A bitch got abs from laughing so goddamn hard. Period. The bitch is crazy. Last time she was crying, laughing so much, all frustrated on her mouth, and she goes, period. Wiping her tears. Sing it loud and clear.
Okay, quadratic formula goes x equals the opposite of b plus or minus the square root
Sing a little louder.
of b squared minus 4ac all over 2x.
Period. Okay, what the fuck did you just sing?
Can you sing that now?
X equals what?
The opposite of b.
X equals the opposite of b square root and b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Is that it? Thank you. Period. Chào chị tên gì? Em tên Phạm Xuân Mai. Chị bao nhiêu tuổi? Bao nhiêu tuổi? Tuổi. I'm so bad at this. Em sống thành phố Los Cali. Period. While I was studying, this mofo was just under my feet. I'm about to make breakfast soon, but I have to do this thing for a brand deal. And I also found a place on Zillow. Well, I found a couple actually. I've been looking for probably about like 2 weeks now. Nothing popped up that I really liked, but then recently, the past like 2 days, I found a bunch of things. But the budget ranges so much, but I think like I'm gonna try to get a place that's like way less than what this place that I'm staying in is right now. Because next year, since I'm gonna have my visa, I'll be able to leave the country and I'm gonna be traveling a lot more. And I don't want to spend a bunch of money on rent, first of all. But second of all, if I'm but if I'm not gonna be there very often, then why do I need to pay so much? And also, I'm trying to like live below my means, if that makes any sense. Like, cause you know, like when you start making more money, you just start justifying things a lot more because you're like, oh, well, I make, you know, it's just like, that's how it is in life, is like once you have something, you always want more. But I'm like, no, I'm gonna dial it back and want less so that I can appreciate more. I've already talked about this before, but I'm trying to be grateful for what I have instead of wanting more and bigger and better at all times. And like sometimes less is more. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go make food because I hate that I'm eating so late lately because I can't eat enough. I'm trying to eat like 2,300 calories a day. Wow, what an issue that I'm having. I can't eat enough. But like it's hard to eat 2,300 calories a day in the span of like 8 hours. Not y'all gassing me up on my story about my Vietnamese. Caught a vibe! Baby, are you coming for the ride? I just like came out here and I was like, hi Aaron! And then I heard nothing back. And then I was like, hi Aaron! I heard nothing back and then I realized he has a video shoot today. Aaron's been living with me for like the past like 2 weeks, but it's only gonna be for like another week because I have another friend coming to live here. But he's staying in the guest room, y'all. He's my bestie. Don't be assuming shit. He my bestie. Nothing happening. I promise you. If shit was happening, I wouldn't be posting about him because I don't want y'all up my ass, but nothing's happening. That's why I'm like posting. Okay. Breakfast. I've been tracking what I've been eating just because I want to eat a lot. I think yesterday I ate like 1,900 calories, but I did hit all of my protein that I needed to eat. I'm trying to eat 130 grams of protein. Yesterday I at like 140, so I'm proud of myself. Basically, how I write it down, super simple. Don't use an app. I feel like an app triggers my like eating disorder. It wasn't extreme, but I used to track all of my food and weigh myself every single day, but it didn't get to the point. Well, no, I didn't track my food like crazy. I weighed myself like crazy and it would drive me nuts. And then I threw away my scale and I haven't used a scale since really. I maybe weigh myself like once every month now. I used to weigh myself every single day and that drove me nuts. Now I be eating whatever, doing my workouts, and I be a skinny legend and I be eating like a lot of food. So it's all about a healthy lifestyle and mentality. Anyways, so here I literally just write down on a sticky note, if you can see, SPC. This is sugar, protein, calories. I usually only track sugar and protein, but since I'm trying to eat a lot, I'm tracking calories now. Not the fucking Chipotle fork being washed because they hit different. First time using avocado oil. I bought this the other day because I saw people talk about it and I was like, oh, I want to try. Wow, that shit's powerful. Low heat. So excited to eat breakfast. Yo, breakfast is like my favorite meal of the day. I just feel like it's so light and easy to eat. Like I can eat this in 2 minutes. But yo, I be buying like the good quality eggs lately and like they're so much more yellow. It's so cool. Also, my background is so messy because I'm organizing my drawers so that when I move out of here, which like I'm moving out of here soon. Whoa. When I move out of here, it's not as difficult. The eggs. The turkey patty. Avocado toast with feta. Some cherry Greek yogurt with frozen cherries. I'm gonna eat that last though. Save it as like a little dessert. These eggs are so fluffy and it only took like 2 minutes to cook. Wow. I love breakfast, bro. Time is currently 3 o'clock. I have a meeting at 3 o'clock. So like give me 2 minutes, but I'm gonna make a smoothie really fast just so I can get some more protein in. And after this meeting, I'm probably gonna make lunch. Yo, eating is a whole ass task. Like it's a whole hobby, making food. It's too much for me. All right, I'm gonna show y'all how I make it. All right, basically, fruit, that much. Kind of just eyeball it to be honest. Take some 100% orange juice. Throw about 1 cup in there and then half a cup of apple juice. 100% apple juice, not from concentrate. Okay, fuck it up. If I'm feeling frisky, I'll add a little bit of spinach, but I'm not feeling frisky. Pea protein, I'll link this down below. I just like it a lot better than whey, it's plant-based. I add 2 scoops of this for 27 grams of protein. Snap this ish on, boom, boom. I learned the mistake from the last video to not slam it. Okay, I have a meeting to get to.
2 hours later.
Alright, just finished the meeting. It is currently 4:48. That meeting was holy shit 2 hours long. Such a good meeting though. I feel good. But that's it for today's video. If you don't know, I post every single day on YouTube, I think. Yeah, alright, yeah, I post every single day on YouTube and I'm gonna be doing a giveaway in every single video coming soon. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I know a bunch of you watch my videos. 47% of you, actually to be exact, you don't subscribe. So if you haven't done that already, go subscribe. Comment down below if you subscribe from this video because I will read your comment anyways. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.